Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visualforce expressions, global variables. Visualforce pages can display data retrieved from the database or web services that changes depending on who is logged on and viewing the page. This dynamic data is accessed in markup through the use of global variables, calculations, and properties made available by the page controller. Use expressions for dynamic output or passing values into components by assigning them to attributes. The expression syntax in Visualforce is in the opening curly braces, then exclamatory symbol, expression, then closing curly brace. Anything inside the opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, expression, closing curly brace, delimiters is evaluated and dynamically replaced when the page is rendered or when the value is used. White spaces is ignored. Global variables. Use global variables to access and display system values and resources in the Visualforce markup. For example, Visualforce provides information about the logged in user in a global variable called $user. We can access the fields of the $user global variable using an expression of the following form. Opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, dollar symbol, global name, dot, field name, closing curly brace. Let's see an example. Create a Visualforce page by the name Visualforce expression. In that Apex page, then we are using Apex page block title, here user status, and we are using page block section column 1 and dollar user first name, last name, and dollar user username we are using, and all the closing tags, page block section, page block, and page. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to open the Visualforce page, click on Setup, Developer Console, right click, open link in new tab, File, New, Visualforce page, VF, Visualforce expression. Okay. So it is created. Visualforce expression is our Visualforce page name, and Apex page and Apex page closing tag. So here we are writing Apex page block, title, user status, Apex page block section, column 1 we are taking, opening curly brace, exclamatory symbol, dollar, user dot first name, closing curly brace, then again last name, then again username, and all the closing tags, page block section, page block, page. Save this. Here is a preview button, just click on this. So as we had given the title user status, it is displaying over here user status, then user first name, last name, and username. So user first name is Salesforce, user last name is network, and username is salesforce@network.com. Thank you.